So Baljit, how are you feeling? Fresh in the morning. It's what is the time now? Well, it is 8 o'clock in the morning.
But we have been up since 6:30, I believe.
Yeah, 6:30.
And I mean, I've never had such a feeling because for the first time I've had a, rich breakfast. I never eat until 1 or 2 o'clock. You know that.
And that too in a local
In a
restaurant.
local place, but it's a beautiful little, small little restaurant, if you can call it that.
And here you can find Ma Kali Durga Mandir.
Yeah,
We are standing
someone just
right-
rung that bell, and it created that vibration, which was amazing. And I'll do it for the viewers.
Wow. Jai Ma Kali.
And the beautiful part of this whole thing has been the Himalayan ranges that you can see. And Naresh Rautala will try and zoom that part for you. It's amazing to see it in live, in blood and flesh. It's
I'm not
only
your
one
camera
thing
person,
to...
I'm your partner.
vlog. See, this is my camera person, Naresh.
Chal, now let's have
tea, hot tea, and you can see the quality of tea is beautiful and amazing because it's just the right color. I mean, the right quantity of milk and tea texture. And I'm telling you, it'll have a lot of ginger. Bye for now. This is our vlog 2. I'll show you the vlog 1, which has a good description about the food that we ate
yesterday.
last night. Yeah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye now.
Okay guys, welcome back to our vlog. So today we are at Rani Khet and visited this beautiful Rani Jheel. You can see this fountain coming out.
The source of the water is the Shrot.
Truth, yeah.
This water is coming naturally, and they fill this up. It is a natural jheel or a lake, but right now they're also trying man-made water filling. You could see that, what I did here. Pretty brave thing to do. It was a great maneuver.
So you can have a full view of the lake. I hope you guys will like it. Please do come over here. It's a very beautiful place.
Bye
So
for
that's
now.
bye for now.
We should have taken it our side.
Okay. Bye for
Hi
now.
there, and bye for now. Beautiful place. Please do visit. It's a great place to be.
Yeah. Bye.
And this is us
See ya.
logging off.
This is again Baljit and Naresh.
We'll join in shortly.
Bye. Hi guys. This is the bird tail is so long.
Has a long tail,
Has a
and you
long
can
tail.
see this. Even
And
I'm
they're
taking
so
a vlog.
pretty and so beautiful.
Just take it a little ahead, just a little. ahead.
They'll fly away.
Slowly.
Oh, she's coming
See,
nearby only.
she's hopping towards us,
Yeah.
and you can actually see blue bird with a beautiful orange beak. And look at the neon color. It's neon blue.
It's neon blue.
It's not even just.
And the beautiful part is the tail. When they fly, no?
Yeah.
You
It spreads out.
Yeah.
It spreads out.
Baljit.
This is beautiful, really beautiful. And we're getting a great shot here. I'm not sure if you
Oh
are.
my God! See,
A lot of them,
a lot of them. One
Yeah.
flew away. Two are here.
but I can see this very clear.
Oh,
She flew away.
Because
There you
that,
go.
because that person was coming. No?
Ah.
And now it is here only. 1 second. See this in this tree. Can you spot it? Arey, yeah. This tree. See?
Yeah, of course.
Oh. Gone over there.
Yeah, I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. This is Naresh and my friend Baljit.
Hi there.
So, friends, we are just moving out of Rani Khet and we are heading towards Bageshwar. So, Baljit want to share some very nice, beautiful experience of Rani Khet. So, Baljit, on to you.
Yeah, so I'm driving right now, so I won't look in the camera. But look, it is nothing extraordinary or extremely out of the world. If you're listening to it, I won't be able to explain that. But it is extraordinary and out of the world if you are here in person. So the mornings are crisp. There is sunlight as well as cold breeze, which is a great combination. It almost looks like God has got the sun shining on you and has put an aircon on, right? I mean, such a kind of a beautiful, crisp mornings with low
with a
temperature.
mesmerizing view of Himalaya. It was so amazing today.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
had from which was it?
Yeti and Yak.
Yak and Yeti.
Yak
Yeah.
and Yeti.
Tabletop. That was the terrace of Yak and
Yeti Resort.
and the beautiful,
Yeah.
mesmerizing
Himalayan view.
entire range of Himalayan we were able to see.
And the sky was, pure blue with scattered white clouds. It looked amazing. It absolutely looked amazing. We have some photographs which we'll try and put in this video.
And actually, it was looking like there's some picture we have drawn.
Yes, it actually looked like an oil painting. Beautiful, scenes, views, and we had a very nice breakfast at a very small place.
On the way, we'll show it to you.
On the way, we'll kind of show it to you. This is a Bubu Dham.
Yeah. This is Bubu Dham. So 1 second, go slow. And here goes Bubu Dham temple.
Bubu Dham temple.
Siddheshwar Mahadev Mandir as well.
Bubu Dham.
Jai Mahadev.
This is Mahanskar of Bubu Dham. And
see the beautiful roads. Okay.
yeah, I can now show you the roads and the trail. There you go.
Wow.
And driving through these roads itself is such a stress buster and a pleasurable exercise and activity. It's amazing. And we'll catch up with you once again
Very soon, and
on the way.
and we'll give you some more information. Now we are heading towards the Bageshwar.
Yes.
It's my hometown, by the way, guys. So
Naresh's hometown.
Yeah. So see you guys. Bye.
Bye for now.
Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel vlog.
Yeah.
So this is Naresh here and my friend Baljit.
Hi there.
So we are on the way to Bageshwar and we thought that we should share you the narrow roads of towards Someshwar and Kausani.
And this is two-way road, and you can imagine there's barely one car can make way, but you got to be careful. You have to keep honking so that the person from the other side could sort of get to know that there is a car coming from the other end, because there are so many blind spots and it's twisty and windy roads, so you can't see ahead. And see now this one, so I have to give a horn or honk it so that the person from the other side would know, and they will slow down. And this is really very well and very disciplined driving culture here. They take care of each other. See, there's a narrow bridges, and it's a very, very narrow road and very twisty and windy.
And you know what? I mean, in this journey of approximately half an hour, hardly we must have seen two cars.
Yeah.
Hardly.
And as you can see, even now, there's one bike coming from there, but barely any cars. So you can see that it is very. Oh, there was a bump. I'm sorry, Naresh.
That's okay.
You can see.
So coming
You can
back
see
to
that it is very scarce. The people are very scarce.
vehicle and people.
Vehicle and people both, yeah. And that is the beauty
we are
of.
feeling that as if we are the only people. We are the only two people traveling in this road.
Yeah, and that makes it even more special, right? So we hope you can see how
just
it
thought
is.
of sharing with you guys.
Yeah, but we hope you can see how it is, and we will let you see the video for another 20 seconds. We'll keep it on, so you can just see the driving without our commentary. And you can see, I'm going to tell you how steep the road is now. So we are in second gear.
These trees, what you are seeing, they are pine trees actually. So this Pahad is full of pine trees. In Pahadi we call this tree as cheed ke ped.
Cheed ke ped, huh? So I know you guys might be thinking why to have this noise pollution of the honking, but it's for safety reasons. So you got to honk when you're turning those very narrow, twisty turns. And if you can just Naresh
Wow,
show
what a
the valley
beautiful
here.
valley here.
I hope you can see the valley there. I mean, it's a big sort of, I mean, way down. And these are pine fruits you can see on the road.
Wow.
These are called pine fruits only, no?
Yeah. That
They
was
get
fine.
dried up and all of that.
Yeah.
And get separated. They're very hard, na, generally.
Very hard.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Oh, one second. There are
Goats. And cute ones. The way they're running.
So we are on the way to Someshwar.
Someshwar, Kosi is 26 kilometer. Someshwar is 23 kilometers.
Oh, see the goats.
See the goats how they're eating the grass. Not the grass, but the shrugs. The shrubs.
And this
And-
side. By the way, just for information,
These are mountain goats.
these are mountain goats. They can climb the mountains, which
Yeah.
nobody else can be able
Yeah.
to climb the mountain the way these goats.
You can
climb
show
it.
them the sample there. See, they're climbing a little bit. I think they get some nice twigs and fresh ones there. So they like to eat those twigs. Pardon me. Look at this one. The one eating the twig there. It's munching on the fresh twig there. There you go. And aggressively, because they know that they have to hurry up, because the shepherd is going to call them pretty quickly. Charvaha.
That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching us.
Hope you had fun, and we can again put the camera back. So then,
Bye for now.
bye
Baljit and Naresh.
Naresh.
Yo.
now. Yo.
Hey guys, this is party dance going on. The Dula Dulan are now after the marriage they are heading towards the temple to take an Ashirwad
Blessings
blessings
of
Okay.
Dholinag God.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our vlog.
Vlog, yeah.
And today we are on a
On a dog walking mission.
dog walking
They're
mission.
not dogs, they're tigers. They're mini tigers.
You just need to have a look at both of them. One second. Hey, see.
Hey guys. Say hello
And
to
this
our
is
viewers.
Bhotia. So guys, these are huh? Gaddi dog. Gaddedar hai na? Bhotia na? Baljit, now you can take off.
Yeah, and look at this black.
You can take now Duke. This one is Duke, which is a he, and the she is Daisy.
And she's a beautiful dog too.
Yeah,
Look at her.
with a black tongue.
Fully black. Hey, Duke. Khana nahi? Paltu ka.
एक मिनट रुक जाओ.
Chi beta nahi.
Okay guys, we'll come back to you again.
Come back to you again.
Bye. Hi guys, this is Daisy and Naresh, and there's my friend Baljit with Duke.
Duke, come.
Duke is a boy,
Duke, what
Daisy is a girl,
Duke.
and see the energy level. Hey! Chal. Come.
Look at Duke and Daisy together. Duke,
Yeah.
Duke, just. Duke.
Okay.
Okay then.
Duke. Daisy is giving a pose. Daisy is saying something here. What is it?
Duke, come here.
What happened, Daisy?
Duke.
Okay. इधर आ जा.
See, up there.
Dukey. Daisy P. Daisy girl.
Duke.
Oh yeah. Their name is
Duke and Daisy.
no. Which breed they are?
Bhutia.
Bhotia, na? Bhotia. And also called as
Gaddi.
Gaddi.
Gaddi dogs.
Please go and have a look in Google and YouTube. You'll find this kind of dogs. These are basically Pahari dogs, and you can see the tongue. Show your tongue. Black color tongue.
Daisy.
I'll have a close view with Deji girl. Deji girl. Hi guys, please have a look at the Lampuchia. Wow. I've got a best shot of Lampuchia. Yeah, it's there in front of us. हाँ अभी भी है. ओहो. Hey guys, top of the morning and welcome to our vlog. Baljit and Naresh here.
Hi there.
So this is morning 7:30.
Yeah,
and-
7:15. It is very cold this
And
morning.
you can see we both are with our hoodies.
Yeah,
And we would like to show you our Pahadi boy
yeah.
out here.
His name is.
Hi, what's your name?
नाम क्या है?
नाम क्या आपका?
उसमें बोलो.
आशीष
जोर से बोलो.
वीडियो में देख के बोल.
आशीष
Ashish. So
He is in class 1. Goes to school here.
over here, yeah. And you can see the sun and the beautiful morning view of Pahad.
And this is just close to our house.
It's so refreshing in the morning to take the fresh air, oxygen, full of trees out here. So this is the best moment we are enjoying of our life together with Baljit.
Totally.
So that's it, guys. You want to say anything?
No, I mean, this is it cannot be explained in words. I mean, the experience here is just amazing. I mean, you come down at 7 o'clock. The sun is rising just now from behind the mountains, and as he said, fresh air, the birds chirping. We saw Lampuchia bird. We'll put some photos as well.
And see the Pahadi doggies coming.
किसी और का है ना? क्या अपना ही है? Daisy.
No.
Okay, some other dog is also there. Signing off once again,
Bye. See ya.
and we'll see you very soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye now. आराम से बेटा. सलोनी, वो सलोनी, कुछ नहीं कर रहा बेटा. हार्ड है रे, बाप रे बाप. ले रहा फोटो?
फोटो भी लिया, वीडियो भी निकाल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
Hey guys, welcome to our vlog.
Look at the eyes here.
Eyes एकदम अलग ही है ना वो लोग.
So big.
Even I want to touch.
Hey, now she's okay, huh?
Now she's okay with you.
Now she's okay.
Now let me try. Hold this.
Yeah.
तो एक तो लाल ये देख के ये नहीं.
मारेगी ये मारेगा मेरे को
खाली हल्के हल्के टच कर. हाँ.
गुच्छ मारेगा
उसका हॉर्न्स पे हाथ लगा.
गुच्छ मार दे इसको
क्या हार्ड है देखा?
इसी से तो वो लोग फटके देते हैं ना.
हाँ हाँ.
ये देखो इसलिए आता है
Solid है यार.
वो के ना का पौड़ा पंजू
Buffalo Saloni. This is Munna. Radha.
And
The cow.
करिश्मा.
Karishma.
अरे गौरी बोल रहा था.
Gauri.
गौरी कौन है फिर?
गौरी कोई नहीं है
एक क्या?
बहुत बढ़िया मैंने गौरी लगाया
Guys, this view is from Vijaypur, and as you can see, the Himalayan ranges are so clear. It's a beautiful view. Wow.
Chila is still on the right side,
Yeah.
but you can see this one here. Maybe this is Nandakot.
Nandakot, yeah. Hi. Hi guys. We are back. This is Baljit.
Hi.
And I'm Naresh here. So today we are at Chakori, which is again a very prominent tourist destination, and the reason is for this.
This panoramic view of the Himalayan ranges.
The longest range what we have seen. See, we are moving it slowly, okay?
Look at that.
And here it goes.
It goes right up till there if you notice carefully. It goes
Yeah.
right up to that point. There are a few scattered clouds behind which you have the ranges, but this is the best view that we've ever got.
Yeah, till now.
Till now, yeah. So
I hope-
Chakori is around 90 kilometers before Munshiari, and Munshiari has better views, it seems. Let's see if we can visit Munshiari this time, or maybe next time we'll see you in Munshiari.
We'll keep you updated.
We'll keep you posted. Thank you and hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. Bye bye. Hi friends. Welcome back to our vlog. This is Naresh and
Hi, this is Baljit.
Baljit. And today we are at Ma Bhadrakali temple. You can see behind the view. This temple is known for a very special reason, and that is one thing. There's a naturally cave which has
Naturally
been
formed cave, huh?
naturally formed cave, and it has been formed like more than 100 years ago. So this is
We saw the caves as well.
yeah
And if you can hear the
beautiful sound of
sound of the waterfall,
water river.
the river flowing.
Well,
Everything natural, nothing
pin
man-made.
drop silence over here. I'll just show you again the mandir, the temple, and below there is another cave which we are not venturing today, but sure later on we are going to venture it.
And we'll show it to you.
And this is a trail what we are following.
And this really goes right up at the top.
Yeah, where we have parked our car.
Must be at least 100 steps or more.
Yeah.
Very steep. So we're gonna go up. Maybe take a couple of breaks before reaching up there. It's gonna be a big trek, but we'll see you again.
Bye.
Peace.
See ya. I'm going to show you a pahadi haldi. It's made here.
फोटो निकाली
Hmm.
इसमें निकाली
This is purest form of haldi. If you can see here, no fertilizer, nothing. It's been put in this farm without any fertilizer, and this is one of the purest form of turmeric, haldi. And you all know what all benefits haldi can give. This is Amma. She's actually separating all the leaves. And see this chachi out here. She's removing. Oh, look at this. Yeah. क्या बात.
ये
Wow.
निकलने वाला हो भाई देखो
क्या बात है. Oh हो क्या बात है.
ये
क्या बात है. Guys, please have a look. Wow.
मेल ज्यादा
आप
हुआ
देखेंगे यहाँ पे हमारी चाची ये हल्दी की झाड़ है बाय द वे गाइस. ओ ये बाप रे, ये देखो क्या हल्दी निकला. वाह
ये
क्या बात है. ओहो,
मालूम भी होना
एक
चाहिए
पेड़ में. हाँ, मालूम भी होना चाहिए. बराबर है. Hi guys, this is my village Titoli, and this river flowing. The water is coming from the Himalayas, so it is 24/7 every month, 12 months. This is my beautiful village, and this is a huge mountain right at the front. You can just have a look at the hey guys, this is lampuchia, our pahadi bird. Beautiful it is. It has come to eat the throwaway food, left out rice and chapatis. Beautiful bird it was. And this is the morning view of my village. The sun is about to rise. Such a beautiful morning. Wow, I'm loving it. Look at the skies. It's crystal clear. without any pollution. So nice view of sunrise, beautiful. Hey guys, it is almost today's 11th, 7:30,
And we are leaving the Pahar today
and we are leaving the
with a
park
very
today.
heavy heart.
Just this is a view from my village, Titoli.
Sun is
The
just coming up.
Sun is about to rise, and look at the skies. Wow, so beautiful. This is Baljit again with Naresh. Yeah, it
Oh,
comes.
sun is come up.
Yeah.
While we speak, as we speak,
Wow. Wow.
just give it
It is
another 10
rising.
seconds.
It's rising.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you see how quickly it rises? It's in 15 seconds, but you got a great shot now because it is actually rising. Now
I'll
we've got
I'll click some photographs also.
No.
Guys, this is the
Arey,
view of my. This is the view of my village. You can have a look. We are feeling so sad to leave today. Heading back to Kathgodam. Baljit, you had a good time?
Arey, I had a great time.
Wow.
We stayed 5 nights and it doesn't even feel like 5 nights. It just feels like we've come here yesterday.
Beautiful. This is a small house.
And the little kids there,
Little kids out there.
there you go.
Hey Manas. Good morning. Divyanshu, good morning. Yeah.
Now the sun is out there,
Yeah.
almost in its full glory. Sky is clear today, so we'll probably get some warmth. It's very cold right now, maybe 6 degrees.
Look at the skies now. What a crystal clear. Wow.
It's more blue here. Show that is sky blue. That's what sky blue is. Okay, guys. Then that was.
See you very soon. And we'll give you a little bit of glimpse of Nainital as well. We are moving to Nainital. Bye guys.
That's him,
That's our
And-
vlog. That's our
and that's our vlog. And have a look at it again. Once again, sun's out, and there he is.
Bye-bye. So guys, we are leaving the village Titoli and heading to Kathgodam. It was a wonderful stay of 5 nights, 6 days. Really enjoyed my beautiful gaon. This is the walking trail to the taxi over there in the road. And here is the my gaon. Everybody's saying bye bye to us. Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog.
Hey, this is Baljit here,
And Naresh.
hi there.
So today we are at Snow View Point, which is the top of the mountain in Nainital. So this is a trek what we are doing. Just visited the Snow View Point, but unfortunately we were not able to click any good pictures of mountain
Because of the
because of the clouds.
completely covered
And
with
you know what, guys? It's raining.
It's raining now. It started drizzling.
Drizzling, yeah, slightly.
Slight drizzle.
And the
it is
temperature out here is
5 degrees.
5 degree.
5 degrees Celsius.
We are having a great time. So together, and
Anubhav, what's up?
we would like to introduce
We'd
one
like
of
to introduce your new member to our vlog.
our vlog.
He's Anubhav
He's
J.
Anubhav.
He's AJ. We call him AJ. And
The rock star.
He joined us in Nainital.
And we are having a great time together.
Yeah.
And this is for the first time after our marriage. We are, as a friends, we have been out together
Yeah.
in a long.
This is our vlog.
long
Anubhav.
tour.
Video logs. Yeah.
So, off for now, right?
And we'll see you. Maybe we'll show you Naini
Naini
Lake.
Lake, yeah.
Today, and maybe a few other snippets as well. So signing off, guys.
Bye bye.
This is
See
Naresh.
ya.
This is Baljit and AJ.
with AJ
Anubhav
Jaiswal. AJ. Hey guys, welcome back once again very soon. Before showing we just told that
Snow
we
View Point. Yeah, we will show you Naini Lake.
Naini Lake.
But let us show you Naini Lake in a very different way. Not
And-
from close, but from a little bit distance and height.
So this is Naresh,
And this is
Baljit
Baljit.
and AJ.
Logging in.
So just okay. Wow.
The view is perfect. Say hi, guys.
So this is beautiful Naini Lake, and we are in Naini Lake viewpoint.
Viewpoint. This is Maggie Point here. I'll show you this. So we saw two things today: Snow Viewpoint and Naini Lake Viewpoint.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye
See
now.
ya. Bye.
Bye guys.
Hey guys, this is Naini Jheel in full form. Wow. Hey guys, today is 13th February and we are leaving from Nainital. So for the first time in this 10 days trip, I got to see the full of ice into my car. You can see how the ice is getting. The heater is on full. The ice is getting melted, and as you can see, slowly and gradually the ice is getting melted. Here comes Baljit.
Hi there. Did you see the snow melting?
Yeah.
Or the frost melting off?
See how even the viper is making some noise. Hey, see,
Viper got
did
stuck.
you-
Yeah, I got that. Do it once again. See, there is the
See
snow.
the line over here, the snow.
That's the snow.
Wow.
Or the frost rather. Okay guys, we are going back to Kathgodam, and from there Haldwani, and from there we have a cab for Delhi. Hopefully all goes well. Checking off.
From Nainital. Bye. See ya. This is Naresh.
This is Baljit here. Bye now.
Hey, bye.